everyone, Sara Swentik here. I just wanted to show everybody in my paparazzi group and all of my friends how to make a homemade mask from a simple pair of leggings. The girls and I have a bunch of leggings that we either don't have shirts that match or we don't wear them anymore, and so I'm trying to repurpose those. This is an easy way to make a mask if you don't know how to sew or don't have a sewing machine. It literally takes just a few minutes, okay? So all you need is a measuring tape, a pair of scissors, and your leggings. Your leggings can be from anywhere, Walmart, wherever you have gotten your leggings from that you prefer. Leggings now are really soft and breathable, so it's a great fabric to use for this project, okay? What I would recommend is starting out with your mask being about 12 inches. I'm not including the seam that's at the bottom of the legging because we're going to end up cutting that off. So what I would do is put your measuring tape with the 12-inch mark there, and then you're going to cut up the leg at the 12-inch point. You can also use the leggings later as pajama bottoms, or you can use them as capris later to wear, so you can repurpose those as well. So I have cut 12 inches of the bottom of the legging. Again, this is the cuff of the legging here. I'm going to cut the cut off next. Okay. So this is what I'm left with. So now what we are going to do is round each edge, kind of make it into a half moon, curve it around. The great thing about this is if you don't cut enough fabric off or the mask happens to be too long, you can go back and readjust if you need to. So I'm just cutting a curved shape into both sides of this mask, and that'll help it curve around my face better. These masks are great if you have to go out in public, if you have to make a run to the grocery store. Again, I hope you're staying home as needed. But if you do have to make a run to the store, this would be sufficient. I know there's a mask shortage and PPE shortage. I'm in healthcare, and we're only allowed to use one mask per shift, so I understand. I ordered masks off of Amazon for my family, but they're not going to be here for 2 weeks. So this is a great way to make alternative masks that we can use until then, and they're washable and breathable. So what we're going to do next is I've got two rounded edges on both sides. We're going to cut in about 2 inches on either side of the piece of legging here. We're only going to cut the top layer of fabric. We're going to leave the bottom one. So you're going to go in about 1.5 inches to 2 inches, and then just cut straight across, and then cut it off on this side as well. And then you're going to do that same process on both sides. Again, we're only cutting the top layer of the legging in about 1.5 inches, straight down, and then over on this side as well. So this is going to be the back of the mask that faces you wear on the inside. And now what we're going to do, this is the part where your face will be here. Now what we're going to do is fold this part in. And you don't have to fold it in very far. I'm just folding it in to where it touches the space that I've cut. And then we're going to cut a small slit in this folded piece, kind of in the center, about 1.5 inches long. So it's just going to be slightly curved. And so when you cut that, then you get this opening. We're going to repeat that same process on the other side. Again, fold this in. Cut this small slit here. And you can make that slit bigger if you need to. The great thing about leggings is that they stretch, so it doesn't have to be a very wide opening because you'll be able to stretch it, okay? So then this is what you'll have left. This is the outside, this is the inside, and you can clean it up as necessary. If you want to cut this seam off here at the bottom so that it doesn't poke out, you can do that. Got a little piece on top I'm going to cut off. And you can kind of play with it as you need to. So then you're left with this piece here. So these pieces are going to go around your ears. The mask needs to go over your ears, or over your ears here, and then over your nose and mouth. And then you can tuck in or adjust as needed. Okay? Well, since we have enough leggings here, I have enough to do one for my whole family. So we won't have to worry about going out in public without a mask now until our other ones get here from Amazon. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can comment below. Please subscribe to my channel. And if I hope everyone's staying safe. Please stay home if you can, okay? Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.